Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to create a file renaming script using Python. So I have my folder here and I have a bunch of pictures here, car pictures. These are nice cars. Very expensive cars. So what I want to do is to rename all these files at once using Python. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to import the OS module, and then I'll create a variable called path, and then say use this function chgr parentheses. Inside this parentheses I will put the path to my folder. So here's this is my folder path, the path to my folder. I would copy it and then I will simply paste it here. Nice. Then I'll create a variable called I and initialize it at value 0. I'll create a for loop for file in os.list gr. Inside this parentheses say path, and this line of code I will create a new variable, call it new file, name it. I will name it pic.gpj.format, and inside this parentheses I'll put I, and then I will say os rename file, new file name. Okay, so this line of code will actually rename each file in the directory. It uses this os.rename function. Then I will simply, the last line of code will be I equal to I plus 1. So this will increase the value of the variable I. So that's it actually. It's a simple script. So let's run our code and see the change here. It will happen very fast, I believe. So let's run my code. Voila, there was no error. So let's check our folder. What is the folder actually? Voila, we have new names names for our files. Our script was able to rename our file very fast. So this is how you can actually use Python to rename your files multiple